You walk into a room with a purpose, but the moment you step through that door, your mind goes completely blank. What were you doing again?
If this has happened to you, you're not losing your mind. In fact, this happens to almost everyone, multiple times a day. Scientists even have a name for it, the doorway effect. And the reason why it happens is actually fascinating.
Here's what's going on. Your brain doesn't just store memories like files on a computer. Instead, it organizes memories into what scientists call event models. Think of these like mental chapters in a book. Each chapter contains everything happening in your current situation, where you are, what you're doing, and what you're thinking about. Now, here's where doorways come in. When you walk through a door, your brain interprets this as the end of one event and the beginning of another. It's like turning the page to a new chapter. Your brain literally files away the previous event model to make room for the new environment. This is called an event boundary. Researchers at the University of Notre Dame actually tested this. They had people walk through virtual environments, sometimes passing through doorways and sometimes just walking the same distance in a single room. The result? People were significantly more likely to forget what they were carrying or thinking about after passing through a doorway, even in a virtual world.
But why would our brains work this way? Turns out it's actually a feature, not a bug. In our evolutionary past, walking into a new space meant potentially new threats, new resources, or new social situations. Your brain needed to quickly focus on the new environment, so it developed this shortcut. New room equals new mental chapter, previous thoughts stored away.
And it's not just about doors. Studies show the effect is even stronger when the doorway leads to a bigger change, like going from inside to outside or entering a completely different building. The bigger the environmental change, the stronger the memory reset. Your brain is constantly updating its model of reality based on your surroundings.
So, how do you avoid this? The easiest trick is to keep your thought active as you walk. Say out loud what you're going to do, or keep your eyes on the object you're planning to use. This keeps the information in your active working memory instead of letting your brain file it away. Or just walk back through the doorway. Seriously, retracing your steps often brings the memory flooding back because you're re-entering that previous event model.
So next time you blank out after walking into a room, remember, your brain isn't broken. It's just doing exactly what it evolved to do, updating your mental chapter for a new environment. Pretty cool, right? If you want more explanations for your brain's weirdest moments, hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me what brain glitch you want explained next.